Hey guys, Dan, House Washing Heroes, and we are out at Samford today, Samford Valley, and we're just helping the organisers with their show coming up this weekend. So if you're heading out to the countryside on the weekend, this might be a good spot. So got the Ferris wheel and everything up in the background. I just flew the drones around that, so that was a little bit of fun. And we're actually just doing this building here and this building here. So a bit of an old girl, so we're going to be very, very gentle with her. Just using the low pressure, obviously, and I don't think she's really ever been washed. So we're just being super careful around all the electricals and all the plants and everything else, like we always are. But this one, we're definitely taking our time and just making sure that they're not getting water where it shouldn't be. So we're going to be doing all the paths for them as well, and just gently. But yeah, we've got tradespeople all everywhere. Probably hear the bobcat in the background, and it's all very exciting, getting ready for the big Samford show. So there we are, got all the rigs out today, and it should be a nice beautiful day. Alright guys, have a good one, bye.